Hello everybody, welcome back to Science with Ilana. Thanks for watching. I had a request for some videos about frogs from a couple of my little scientist friends. So I want to do a shout out to Simi and Evan, and I think Maxo this week wanted to know about frogs, and so did Alma and Noah. So hello to all of you. Thanks for wondering about frogs, and I happen to have some pretty cool frogs here. They are called African-clawed frogs. They're not frogs that you normally find around here. They are a species or a type of frog that you would normally find in Africa. They're a little bit hard to see because they are aquatic, which means that they spend most of their whole life in the water. So they are in this tank of water right here. And we have two of them in here. One of them is hiding, and the other one is out. But you're going to notice that they are two different colors. That's because one of them is an albino, which means that it doesn't have any of the melanin in its skin. So it's more white and sort of pink colored. And then the other one, if we get to see it, if it comes out, is sort of dark brown, sort of green. But the other reason why I wanted to share these frogs with you is because I noticed that they laid some eggs in their tank. So first I'm gonna show you the frogs, and then I'll show you the teeny tiny eggs. Okay, so right over here is the albino frog. We're looking at its back, at its tushy actually, which is funny. But can you see that it has these big webbed back feet? Let me see if I can bring you over this way. Here is our friend the frog, and actually there is the other one inside that log, staring right at you right now. So these frogs are actually resting right now. They are nocturnal, which means that they like to be awake and eat, usually in the nighttime. So during the day, these frogs are usually sort of just resting in their tank, which is what they're doing right now. They're not moving too much. But I also noticed when I came into this room today that they had laid some eggs. Their eggs are teeny tiny little white eggs, and I hope that you'll be able to see they laid some on these rocks. So there's a bunch of eggs. See those teeny tiny little white dots? Those are frog eggs. So frogs are born from eggs. They are amphibians. Which means that they are vertebrates. They have bones on the inside of their body, but they have sort of this special wet skin all over their bodies, and they are born from eggs. Now, frogs will lay eggs, and a tiny little tadpole is usually what is born from the egg. Oh, look, our frog is moving. Let's see. Now you can get a kind of good look at it. See, it has red eyes. So cool. It has those big claws in front and very strong legs in the back, because it can climb up on the land if it needs to move to a different pond or a different body of water. Oh, here it is. So I'm thinking that in a couple of weeks we might have some little tadpoles that hatch from all of these teeny tiny little eggs. The tadpoles will grow in the water, and they will eventually grow their legs and arms and turn into a frog. They go through metamorphosis, which is a change. Oh, they're sort of running away now. Now these African clawed frogs they're pretty cool. You normally find them in Africa, and they actually have no teeth, and they don't have a normal frog tongue. So normally when you think of frogs, you think that they're able to sort of stick their tongue out really far and really fast to catch an insect or catch their food. But these animals don't have that kind of tongue. Staring at me. So they use those big claws on their front and back feet to sort of grab their prey and shove it into their mouth, and they swallow it whole. So these animals are predators. They will eat little fish, they will eat little frogs, little worms, anything that kind of fits into their mouth that they find in their habitat. they will eat. So that's the African clawed frog. I'm glad you sort of got an up close look. You can see them sort of moving around and swimming in there. And if there happen to be some tadpoles in the next few weeks, I will be sure to take another video and I will show you. So here's the albino one again. I don't think these frogs have names. What should we name them? We should give them names. And here's one more look at their teeny tiny little eggs that they laid. Okay, I'll keep you posted. I hope we have some tadpoles and some babies so I can share them with all of you. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy exploring, everybody. Bye.